Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about the power of persistence and the incredible potential that lies within each of us. Success is not merely a destination. It's a journey defined by our choices, our resilience, and our unwavering determination. Life will challenge you. There will be obstacles that seem insurmountable, moments of doubt, and times when you feel like giving up. But remember this: every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace failure as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. Each experience, whether good or bad, teaches us valuable lessons that shape who we are. To achieve your dreams, you must first envision them. Set clear, achievable goals and break them down into manageable steps. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Surround yourself with those who inspire you, who lift you up, and who challenge you to be better. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Growth happens when you push beyond your limits. Take risks, learn from your mistakes, and adapt. Every great achievement starts with the decision to try. Finally, remember that success is not just about personal gain. It's about making a difference in the lives of others. Strive to uplift those around you, and you'll find that your own success becomes even more fulfilling. So, rise up, believe in yourself, and take action. The world is waiting for your greatness. Your journey starts now. Go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching the video. If you like to get more latest videos, make sure to subscribe my channel.